Hello everybody, my name is David. I go by the username of Bishop Down on the internet world and whatnot, but today, or what we're going to do with this video, I'm going to show you how to build a computer. Now a lot of people are skeptical about building their own computers because questions like what if I do this wrong, or what if I do that wrong, or how do I do this, how much do I need, how much does it cost, and a lot of other questions. But I'm gonna tell you in truth, building a computer is really quite simple. I first built my first computer about 6 years ago, and it was back before they had the dual cores. So it's been a while, and technology has gotten going up pretty fast. But anyway, it's really simple. Okay. All right. So we're outside here. Let's show you the case that we're working on. This is a case that I modded a while ago, and I'm actually finishing up the paint, trying to finish up the paint job on. This is our case right here. It's painted white. And this is the top panel. It's going to have a plexiglass on top. Now you don't have to go all fancy and go crazy with your case like I do, but that's this kind of way I build computers. Kind of walking here. Wash machine's going, that's okay. Here's our side panel for it, and we just painted it a hot pink, and we're going to put some plexiglass behind that to cover everything. And over there we have the front panel, which I still have to finish painting. You can see, get a little closer to it just so you can see. There it is right there. It's kind of ugly looking, but I still got to paint it hot pink and do some other things to it. So now, okay, so you're asking yourself, you're like, okay, I want to build a computer, right? So how much am I going to spend? Well, you're probably going to spend anywhere from $300 to $400 on a decent system. If you want to go a little bit higher, you can go up like $700 or even $1,000. But for the basic person, $400 is going to be enough to build your system. Okay, and let's just go. I'm going to show you where I buy all my stuff at and where you can buy it too. Okay, so here we are. We're at newegg.com. This is where you want to be to order most of your computer products. Once again, it's Newegg, N-E-W, newegg.com. That's where you want to go. If you don't have a sign in, go ahead and get a sign in. You can see I got some items up there that I was planning on purchasing. Okay, I have a wish list here. Go to our wish list here so I can show you and what you're gonna need. Okay, we'll go to multimedia basic computer. Okay, so this is what you're gonna need for your computer. I mean, your basic stuff, right? So you're gonna need a motherboard. Here's an Asus motherboard here. You don't have to get this particular motherboard, but just a motherboard. You also want to have a processor. Here's your AMD processor. I use AMD. I like AMD. Intel's good, but it's more expensive. So you're gonna need you're gonna need a motherboard, processor, memory. Here's the memory right here, Kingston memory. You're gonna need a hard drive to store your information. You're also going to need, of course, you're gonna need a keyboard, a monitor, and those things like that. But you're going to need an input device, which will be your DVD burner here. You're going to need a case to put everything in. There's a case right there, Cooler Masters case. You're also going to need a power supply. And usually you can buy cases on Newegg that have power supplies already installed, which is a big help. So basically, you just need these couple of things to build your computer, and that's pretty much it. The other thing you're going to need is an operating system. So you're going to need Windows XP, Vista, or Windows 7. So that's where the cost kind of gets a little high. Like I was saying, you can build a computer for $400. You can build a computer for $400, but I didn't include the monitor and the operating system. So you're talking about another $200, so like $600 there. But the benefits of building your own system is that you get what you pay for, and you won't get cheap products, because all these products that you buy here are everything off Newegg is wholesale, so you get good prices on them. Plus they have warranties on them too. So if anything goes wrong, you can always send it back and get your money back or get a new product. So that's the one good thing about building your own system. So this is a custom computer I built a while ago for a friend of mine, and I'm in the process of putting everything back on it to get it ready to take to him. And you can see the customization I did on this one. I painted it blue and light blue, but you can see I got little colored fans in there, and everything's in here has been is customized. I handpicked all these products, so it just makes it a little bit easier for you to well, just to customize it basically. And if you like messing around with stuff, building your own computer is a good thing. Anyway, this video has been too long, so I'm going to cut short, and we'll get